Hello students, now I am going to start question number 4 of exercise 9.3. Now question number 4 says simplify 3x multiplied by 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value for x equals to 3 and x equals to 1 by 2. So in the first part we have 3x multiplied by 4x minus 5 plus 3. So this is monomial and monomial should be multiplied by binomial. So here at first we will have to multiply the monomial with the first term of the binomial. So 3x multiplied by 4x. Then we have minus sign. Now again monomial should be multiplied by the second term of the binomial. At first we will have to just multiply the first term of the binomial and then we will put the sign, and then the second term should be multiplied with the monomial. Okay, so it's 3x into 5. Now we have plus 3, so we'll put this as it is. So at first we just multiplied the monomial with the binomial. Okay, now and this constant part will remain same. Now we will multiply this too. We'll multiply the number at first. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Okay, now we will multiply the variable. So here we have x one time, here also we have x one time. So 1 plus 1, 2. So the power of x will be 2. Okay, now minus sign. Now we'll multiply the number once again. So 3 multiplied by 5, it's 15. And now x is given one time, so we'll write x plus 3. So after this, simplification is over. It cannot be further simplified as these three are the unlike term. Okay, now we will have to just put the value of x in place of x. So in the first part we have x is equals to 3. So we'll just put on this expression 12x square minus 15x plus 3. Now 12x square means 12 multiplied by x square. Now in place of x we'll just put 3. So it's 3 square minus 15 multiplied by 3, because in place of x 15x means 15 is multiplied by x, so we'll just put the value of x in place of x. Okay, and plus 3 will remain same. Now 12 multiplied by 3 square means since power is 2, so 3 will be written twice, minus 15 multiplied by 3 plus 3. Now 12 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, this dot is given for showing multiplication. Okay, now 3 3s are 9 and 9 12s are 108 minus 15 3s are 45 plus 3. Now here we will calculate these and these at first. At this is having similar sign, so we will add 108 and 3. So if you add 108, if you add 3 to 108, you will get 8 plus 3 11. 1 carries, so 1 plus 0 1 and 1 will come down, so it's 111. Now 45 will be subtracted. 45 should be subtracted from 111. So you will get 11 minus 5 is 6. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So it will be 66. Now in the second part we have x is equals to 1 by 2, and we will have to put this value on the same expression 12x square minus 15x plus 3. So we will write the same expression, which is 12x square minus 15x plus 3. Just we will have to put the value of x, which is 1 by 2 here on this expression. So 12 multiplied by 1 by 2, in place of x we'll write 1 by 2 whole square. Now here we have not given any sign, because after number if you put the bracket, that means it shows that it is multiplied with the first one. Okay, so minus 15, again in place of x we can put 1 by 2 and plus 3 will remain same. Okay, now 12 multiplied by 1 by 2 whole square means power is 2, so we'll write 1 by 2 twice, minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. So in the numerator we have 3 minus. Now come to the second term. Here 15 and 2 cannot be cut by a same number. So 15 multiplied by 1 is 15, and in the denominator we have 2 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Now 6 minus 15 by 2. Now here is 1. No digit is present in this denominator, so we can consider as 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 divided by 1, LCM divided by the denominator, it's 2, and then the answer should be multiplied by the numerator, so it's 2 6 are 12 minus, come to the next fraction, 2 divided by 2 is 1 into the numerator, which is 15. This is 15. Now 12 minus 15 is 3. 15 minus 12 is 3, and since 15 is greater than 12 and the sign of 15 is minus, so it will be minus 3 by 2. Okay, now moving on to the next part. Now in the B part we have simplify a multiplied by a square plus a plus 1 plus 5 and find its value for a is equals to 0, a equal to 1 and a is equal to minus 1. So at first we need to simplify the expression a into a square plus a plus 1 and plus 5. Now here all terms which is present inside of the bracket will be multiplied by the monomial. So at first this monomial should be multiplied with the first term. Okay, so a into a square plus, we have plus sign, so we have given plus sign. Now monomial should be multiplied by the second term, so a into a, again we have plus sign, again monomial should be multiplied by the third term. Okay, so it's a into 1. So these three terms present inside of the bracket, so monomial should be multiplied by all three terms gradually, and then we have the constant part given, so we'll write as it is. Now we will multiply this. So here a is present twice, and here a is present one time, so it's 2 plus 1 3, so power of a will be 3, plus here we have 2a, so a square. Now 1, when we multiply by 1 to any number we get the same, so here a into 1 is a plus 5. Now this cannot be solved further, as here we have all unlike terms. Okay, now just one by one we'll just put the value of a. So in the first part we have a is equals to 0, and we will put this value on the expression a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. Okay, so it's 0 cube plus 0 square, just putting the value in place of a, 0 plus 5. Now here 0 into 0 into 0 is 0, here also 0 into 0 is 0, here we have 0, so in this part we will get 0, so answer will be 5. Okay, now we will put the value of a, which is 1. Okay, so we will have to put on this same expression, which is a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. So just put the value of a in place of a, so it's 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 plus 5. Now here 1 into 1 into 1, if you write thrice, if you write 1 thrice, we'll get 1 only. Whatever be the power, if the base is 1, then we'll get 1. Now here 1 into 1, 1, and then we have 1 plus 5. Now we'll add these two to get the answer. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, so answer of the second part will be 8. Now coming to third part, in the third part we have a is equals to minus 1, and here we'll just put this value on the same expression, a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. So here minus 1 cube plus, just putting in place of a, okay, and the power will remain same. So here was 2, then minus 1 and plus 5. Now when the power is odd, we get negative sign. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 means minus 1 plus. When the power is even, we get plus. So minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Okay. Now this plus minus minus plus 5. Now here this plus and this minus, since this is having same value but opposite sign, so it will be cancelled. So minus 1 plus 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. And since 5 is greater than 1 and the sign of 5 is positive, so answer will be positive. So what we have observed here, we have to find the value here, but without simplification with the value, we cannot put the value directly in place of x. We need to simplify the expression at first, means we need to solve it, and then we will have to just find the value for x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, in the second part, we have this expression given, and here also we had to simplify it at first, and then after simplification, means after solving the expression, we will just find the value for a equals to 0, a is equals to 1 and a is equals to minus 1. Okay, thank you students.